Model, 2017 Renault Trafic Sl27 Sport Nav Engy Dci. Very clean, drives off the keys, spares OR repairs, FSH top spec, cold sweat smile. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 108,385. MOT, 24 July 2024. Engine, 1598 CCR9 M125 Energy E6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs perfect. Headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurising. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, full service history, cruise control, air con, electric windows, reversing camera, parking sensor.